eggs should not be rubbery. This fixes that. After sauteing the base ingredients, add the cherry tomatoes. They release moisture and gently steam the eggs. And cover the skillet for a few minutes. The trapped steam sets the whites while the yolks stay soft. When you add the eggs, keep the heat low. High heat is what makes eggs rubbery. If you prefer firmer yolks, keep the skillet on low heat a few minutes longer until they reach your desired doneness. Just a few simple ingredients: eggs, spinach, feta, tomatoes, 8 minutes. Perfect with warm pita or even by itself. If this made breakfast easier for you, please like and subscribe for more one-pan Mediterranean meals. And let me know, runny yolk or firm yolk? Tell me below. Watch the next video on the screen, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.